Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Toyota Sienna. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, front dual-zone air conditioning, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.